Do you ever wonder how to maintain your skin's health and achieve a youthful appearance naturally? Our skin is a reflection of our overall health, and one key element to maintaining its vitality is collagen. This protein plays a crucial role in providing our skin with structure and elasticity. A diet rich in certain foods can help boost collagen levels, contributing to a more youthful appearance. Today we'll discuss some foods rich in collagen that you should include in your diet for younger-looking skin. First on our list is bone broth. This traditional food is a rich source of collagen, a protein that helps maintain the structure and elasticity of our skin. It's no surprise then that bone broth can contribute to a youthful complexion. You'll find it's a versatile addition to your meals. Sip it warm as a comforting drink, or use it as a base in soups and stews. With every spoonful, you're nourishing your skin from the inside out. So consider adding bone broth to your diet for its rich collagen content. Next, we have citrus fruits. These vibrant orbs of goodness are loaded with vitamin C, a key player in the production of collagen, which helps to keep our skin firm and youthful. From oranges to lemons, grapefruits to limes, there's a citrus for every taste. Enjoy them fresh, in your salads, squeeze them into your water or over your meals, or even blend them into a smoothie. The possibilities are as varied as the fruits themselves. Citrus fruits are not just delicious, but also great allies for your skin. Berries are another excellent source of collagen. These colorful gems of nature are overflowing with antioxidants and vitamin C, two crucial components that supercharge collagen production. Antioxidants combat harmful free radicals, while vitamin C plays a central role in collagen synthesis. Incorporating berries into your diet is as easy as it is delicious. Enjoy them in your morning smoothie, toss them in your lunchtime salad, or savor them as a sweet yet healthy dessert. Berries, a tasty and healthy way to boost your skin's collagen. Don't forget about leafy greens. The secret weapon in your anti-aging arsenal, leafy greens are brimming with antioxidants, which serve as your skin's personal bodyguard, protecting your collagen from damage. Think of spinach, kale, and Swiss chard as your skin's best friends. Sprinkle them in your salad, blend them into a smoothie, or sauté them as a side dish. They're not only versatile but also delicious. Remember, a daily dose of leafy greens keeps your skin glowing and youthful. Leafy greens a must-have for a collagen-rich diet. Last but not least, fish and shellfish. These underwater treasures are packed with collagen, which contributes to skin elasticity and hydration. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to promote skin health. You can enjoy them grilled, steamed, or even raw in sushi. Don't forget shellfish like shrimp and lobster, which are also excellent collagen sources. So dive into these sea delights and your skin will thank you. Fish and shellfish, a delicious way to enhance your skin's health and appearance. In conclusion, collagen is essential for your skin's health and youthful appearance. We've explored the power of bone broth, citrus fruits, berries, leafy greens, and fish and shellfish as rich sources of collagen. These foods not only contribute to younger-looking skin, but also boost overall health. A balanced diet, teeming with these nutritious foods, can be your secret weapon for maintaining skin vitality. So let's embrace these nourishing gifts from nature. Remember, the key to younger-looking skin might just be in your kitchen.